Top 5 most common Ninja Blast problems and how to fix them. If your Ninja Blast isn't working right, here are the 5 most common problems and how to fix them fast. 1. It won't turn on. If you press the button and nothing happens, check the battery light. A solid red light means the battery's low. Plug it in and look for a flashing green light. Make sure you're using a good quality USB-C charger. Cheap or worn-out cables can cause charging problems, so we've linked a fast, reliable one below that works great with the Ninja Blast. 2. Blades won't spin. If the light flashes orange and the blades won't move, frozen chunks or thick blends are likely jamming them. Flip the blender over and gently clear any stuck food. Using a narrow cleaning brush is the safest way to clean around the blades without damaging anything. 3. Cup isn't locking properly. If you're seeing a flashing white light, the cup isn't fully locked into place. Line up the arrows on the cup and base and twist until you hear a click. If buildup around the threads is blocking the connection, a slim cleaning brush can help you clean the grooves properly. We've linked a brush set below that's perfect for keeping the locking areas clear. Number 4. Charging light doesn't show up. If there's no light when you plug it in, the problem might be the cable, the adapter, or debris inside the USB-C port. Try a different charger and clean the port carefully if needed. 5. Blends are lumpy or poorly mixed. If your smoothies are chunky, it's usually the ingredient order. Add liquids first, soft ingredients second, and frozen or hard items last. Leaving enough room to blend properly makes a big difference. With a few quick checks and the right tools, you can keep your Ninja Blast running smoothly. Both the fast charger and the cleaning brush set are linked below if you need them. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.